The Hintersee Lake is located in the Berchtesgaden National Park in southeastern Germany. Surrounded by lush forests, rugged mountains, and small villages, the lake is known for its crystal clear water that reflects the stunning scenery around it. Seealpsee is a lake situated in the Appenzell Alps in Switzerland. Nestled amidst towering mountains and lush forests, the lake is renowned for its stunning turquoise water, which reflects the dramatic scenery around it. During the winter season, the lake transforms into a winter wonderland. Lake Bled is a picturesque glacial lake located in northwestern Slovenia. The lake is surrounded by the Julian Alps and is famous for its stunning emerald green waters, which are said to have healing properties. Overall, Lake Bled is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts.